Alright, so here's a quick walkthrough on how to use this. There's the Richie. You open all these arms up. They just fold out until they stop. Boom, fold out until they stop. Here's the controller. Comes with 2 of these batteries. Battery slides in here. Bingo. Camera. You can move it around before you fly it, but you have to set it before you fly it. I just leave it straight. Maybe a little tilt down. Alright, there's that. Here's the controller. This makes it goes up and down. This makes it turn left and right like that. This makes it fly forward, backward, sideways. Sideways it goes like sideways like that, sideways like that. When you put it in hover, you use these buttons to fine-tune how it's hovering, like forward, backwards. You just let it hover in front of you and you fine-tune it with this, and then you're ready to fly. These buttons, this just makes it spin in place. I don't know, kind of silly. This is supposed to be returned to base. I don't have good results with that yet. Might be using it wrong. This is the takeoff button, and this is the kill power button. You got to be careful with the kill power button, because if you hit that while you're flying by accident, it just drops out of the air. And if you're over water or trees, that's where it's going to be. It's going to fall and drop dead in there. All right, so let's turn it on. Power on. Power on. There's the powers. You go up and back, and now it's engaged because the color is solid. When you fly, always keep that red light facing you. It's the easiest way to control it. Okay, so I could either use the takeoff button or just take off with this right here. I'll use the takeoff button. And there it goes. You bring it down, bring it down. See, I'm using the height, bring it down. Let me bring it back here. There. Now you work on the hover. It's hovering. It looks like it's drifting right. So you bring it back left. Now it's drifting forward, so I bring it back. And there. I'd say that's a pretty good hover, just doing that. Come on back here. All right. And use these buttons to control it and move it around. All right. This left button turns it in circles. Very hard to control it when you turn it in circles. Your best bet is to keep it with the red light facing you, I guess, until you become more comfortable with it. And I'm not, so I keep it like that. Keep it facing away from you. There, the hover's pretty good. This left button trigger, that makes it the speeds. You have first, second, and third speed. And there, I got it just hovering for me and playing around with it. Basically, your safest thing to do when you get messed up is just do that. Or if you really get messed up, hit the power button, let it fall. I have yet to break a drone from letting it fall. They just fall and they're basically okay. Alright, it still seems like it's drifting a lot. Come on back right. Okay, there. I'm using the control button there. Okay, now it's drifting to the right. Come on back. That's a good hover. Alright. There. Now here I go. I got it with me. I got the red facing me. Go. Take off. Bye. Bye-bye. Go up a little. Okay. Keep sending it off. That's way out there. And use the up and down to keep it. Use the up and down to keep it from hitting the ground. Up, 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 up. There it is. It's back. So I want to go this way. It's really important to keep that red facing you, because you lose your orientation and it just starts flying wild. All right, so here we go. Let's send it off again. Okay, bye-bye. Go. And if you do like that, it kind of drifts back up again to the height that it was. Now bring it back. It kind of dips down. Okay, let's go left and right. Left, right, right, left. Get it up again. You don't want it to hit the ground. There, now I want to fix my orientation, get that red light facing me. Nice. Okay, now this right trigger button, this makes it do flips. Press forward, there, flip. Press back, flip. Press right, flip. Press left, flip. Press left, flip. Get away from there. All right, and then you could just basically get used to it, but once you get that red facing away from you, it's hard to know what the heck's going on. Like I'm almost already lost. There you go. Straighten it out again. All right, bye-bye. Goodbye. Looks like it's going to hit the ground. You let off of the button, let it find its altitude again. And come on back. So you could hook it to your phone with an easy app. Instructions are pretty easy on that. I'm not doing any of that now. But the camera, I don't have a lot of good things to say about the camera. It's zoomed in too much. Like when it's in the air, the zoom is too much. It needs more of a fisheye. All right, now I want it to land, so boom, hit land. Done. Power off. Power off. And this battery's blinking, so it's basically done. And that's it.